bro. She's got babies. She's staring at me. I'm not touching your babies. I can hear them all over here. There's a whole bunch of them. Here they go. Go ahead, mama. Go ahead. There we go.